Today we're going to try to make a French press cup of coffee. Shouldn't be a problem for most of you. I've got some unique challenges here, but we're going to get it done and get our French press coffee made. Okay, first we're going to add our coffee grounds. After we add our coffee grounds, we're going to put in about 25 grams of water and just give it a little swirl, and that's going to be our first bloom. Let 30 seconds pass, and then we're going to add in the rest of our water.